This app lets you trade your crypto 100% privately. Unless you use this app or an app like this, your crypto wallet is at risk of being discovered and tracked. People can see everything you do with crypto unless you take precautions such as using an app like this. So use SilentSwap to do things like trade your Chainlink for Avalanche, swap your Ethereum for base Ethereum, trade your Phantom to an Ethereum stablecoin, swap that stablecoin for your favorite meme coin. Trade any crypto asset you like, 100% non-custodial, 100% safe. This platform has been audited by both Certic and Hacken, scoring a 10 out of 10. It never takes control of your funds. It operates across Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, Phantom, Base. Support for Solana and Bitcoin are on the roadmap. The number one biggest mistake you can make in crypto is not protecting yourself and your privacy. When you trade on the blockchain, every transaction you ever make can be linked back to your wallet and people can see everything you do. Do you want every person you send crypto to or every dApp you interact with to know your wallet holdings and know your whole transaction history? Listen, bookmark this video right now. Save this video for later. Send it to yourself, save it in your email, post it on your timeline, whatever you have to do to make sure you remember this video when you're finally ready to swap your crypto assets privately. Using this platform will save you so much headache in the future. I wish I would have discovered that this existed sooner. Also, use my referral link for 10% off all swaps. You do have to pay a premium if you want full privacy, so 10% off swaps is such a money saver. You're saving money if you use this with my referral link. Use my referral link for 10% off all swaps in your first 12 months. Check the timestamps to skip directly to the tutorial. I'll show you how to use this, or skip to whichever part you like. First, let's start with some disclosures. This video is not financial, legal, or tax advice, just information and opinion. Privacy is a fundamental human right recognized in almost every country in the world. Wanting privacy is not a bad thing. It is a good thing. It is not proof that you're doing anything bad. Privacy is a human right. That being said, always disclose everything you need to the government and pay all your taxes. Always follow all laws in your respective jurisdiction. Also, this video is done in partnership with SilentSwap. So let's jump into it. How to swap your crypto completely private. The full tutorial begins now. Step number 1, connect your wallet. Step number 2, choose either max privacy or semi-private. With semi-private, tracking the transaction is still possible, but not necessarily easy. If you're using this for max privacy, use max privacy. Pay the premium. I like max privacy. Either way, use my referral link and score 10% off with any transaction. Step number 3, set your swap details. So maybe I have stablecoin on the Ethereum L2 base, and I want to swap it and receive stablecoins on different other chains. Avalanche stablecoin, BNB stablecoin. We'll say 50-50, 50 for Avalanche stablecoin, 50 for BNB stablecoin. I'll add my receiving addresses here, and then I click here to execute. You can see before I execute, it's giving me tips on how to do this with the best privacy outcome. Add additional outputs, use uneven ratios, make sure there is zero association between the addresses. So when you're ready, click execute swap, and you can see here it takes you through what's happening, keeps you in the know, shows you how it's executing. Swaps can typically take between 5 to 20 minutes per output, depending on the networks you are swapping to/from. And when you or the other person receives the new tokens, your sending wallet and the coins sent will have your privacy maintained. So this is a great tool to add to your crypto toolbox. Sometimes you use Uniswap, sometimes you use SilentSwap. I know some people who prefer privacy who are using SilentSwap now for almost every trade they do. I also know people who only use SilentSwap when they really need to. Either way, it's a good tool to have at your disposal. Common question I see potential users asking about this. Isn't this a mixer just like Tornado Cash? And although there are similarities, they are both crypto products that protect your privacy. SilentSwap is not a mixer, and it is actually very different from Tornado Cash, as I understand it. I'll share with you the founder's recent response to this question below my post here. While both Tornado Cash and SilentSwap aim to enhance privacy in cryptocurrency transactions, they differ significantly in their functionalities, compliance with regulation, user experiences, technical foundations, and overarching philosophies. Number 1. Core functionality. Tornado Cash functions as a decentralized mixer that pools funds to obscure transaction origins and destinations, enhancing user anonymity. SilentSwap enables private asset swaps between users without relying on mixing pools, facilitating direct and secure exchanges while maintaining privacy. Number 2. Compliance and regulation. Tornado Cash initially faced sanctions from the U.S. Department of Treasury's Office of Foreign Asset Control, OFAC, in August 2022, citing its use in laundering illicit funds. However, on November 26, 2024, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit overturned these sanctions, ruling that Tornado Cash's immutable smart contracts are not property under the International Emergency Economic Power Act, and thus OFAC exceeded its authority in sanctioning the platform. SilentSwap, on the other hand, proactively aligns with regulatory standards, fully complying with OFAC guidelines and anti-money laundering AML laws. Additionally, SilentSwap has obtained a legal opinion in the United States affirming its compliance with applicable privacy and financial regulations, underscoring its commitment to responsible privacy solutions. The user experience is different, the technology used is different, the philosophy and vision is different. TLDR, while both platforms do seek to enhance transaction privacy, SilentSwap distinguishes itself by integrating privacy features with a strong commitment to regulatory compliance, leveraging the secret networks technology to provide secure and lawful private transactions. So, although SilentSwap just recently launched December 9th, they already have seen initial momentum and early success. Over 18,000 people signed up for early access to the platform prior to its public launch. The platform has seen almost 2 million in swap volume since its launch on December 9th. Even before its official launch, SilentSwap formed strategic partnerships to expand its influence in the Web3 space. For example, they have a partnership with Zebu, a leading telecom settlement platform, integrating advanced privacy features into telecom transactions, showcasing SilentSwap's versatility. And then they recently announced another partnership with SquidGrow to unlock next-level cross-chain access in the crypto ecosystem. SilentSwap is a product of SquidGrow. Although SilentSwap has no token, a percentage of SilentSwap revenue from every platform transaction goes back into the SquidGrow chart in the form of buybacks or liquidity injections to ensure the long-term sustainability and growth of the SquidGrow ecosystem. Check out SilentSwap's website, check out their app. I'll leave links below. Follow SilentSwap on Twitter. Use my referral link for 10% off every transaction for a whole year.